About a year ago, I was lucky enough to meet the CEO of Hybrid Media Consulting Company. He walked in the door, gave me his business card, told my front desk a little bit about what he's got going on. I was with a client at the time, got the card, saw the flyer. I knew that this was something that the company always kind of needed, but didn't know who provided for it, so yeah. Absolutely nothing. I'm a host location, so there's no cost to me. I get the privilege of having the ability to send my information directly to Hybrid. They get it going up on the screens, really transparent and fluent system that they got going on, and there's zero cost. It's awesome. Great question. There's many different ways. One of the ways is the getting to know other business owners, and just like ourselves that are trying to promote ourselves within the community. It's really fun that we get to have conversations with our guests about these different companies, why we're cutting and performing.